Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.4, Problem 1. This is Section 3.4, Problem 1. It says multiply the given numbers 40 times 0.5. So to multiply things with decimals, if you're not going to be using a calculator, I prefer to write it in a vertical format, like this. The 0.5 and 0.5, that's the same thing. I'll just write the problem as 0.5. So what you want to do is at first just ignore the decimal. Just multiply. So 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. So I did the multiplication. Now look in the problem and see how many places after the decimal you have. As I look in the problem, there's only one place after the decimal. So in your answer, you must have the same number of places after the decimal, 1. So I move in one spot. It's 20.0, which you can just as easily say 20. So 40 times 0.5 is 20.